What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz, and I got a pair of Pure Money Retro 13 lows. Some would call these the Pure Platinum 13 lows, but today we're gonna restore these bad boys back to life. As you can see, they need paint, they need a lot of cleaning, some icing, and we're gonna jump straight into this video, so let's go. For a proper cleaning setup, you want to make sure the water's on cold. Add it with a little detergent. This is detergent I use, that Arm & Hammer Powerful Cleaning, right? And then a little splash of that bleach. It doesn't matter which brand, and there you go. Also, don't forget to scrub with a medium brush. It helps lift up the dirt throughout the process. Here are the results from the washer. We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the next step on these bad boys, and I'll see you here in a second. We got our plastic, shoe sauce, paintbrush for the shoe, and dab some of that on the shoe. That's all it's needed, no effort, right? You do not want to apply too much sauce on the shoe because it'll be runny, and if you have experienced like cream volume 40 getting on your hand, you know, just a little bit gets on your skin and just irritates it, it stings. That's the amount you want to be on the shoe. I experienced that less shoe sauce on the shoe is more effective than thick applications on the shoe. You get what I'm saying? But anyways guys, here's my setup. We're gonna go ahead and just slap the plastic on real good, get it ready, and throw it in the hot box, and I'll catch you guys here in the next day. Next day, right, from the ice box, here are the results right here. They came out glistening, real glittery. You know what I mean? These Pure Money 13 lows, man. You seen the beginning of the video. You seen how dirty, filthy, yellow, gunky these bad boys were. We turn it beat to heat, guys. All they need is a little bit cleaning on the bottom, acrylic paint on the inside soles, on the uppers, and we're good to go. So let go. Next step, guys, you want to use the acrylic finisher to seal that acrylic paint with a paintbrush. This chemical, all you need is 1 coat to 2 coats if needed. This stuff is very strong, sticky, so be very careful when applying to the shoe, because if it runs and drip all over the shoe, you know what happens, right? Permanent damage. You don't want that. But guys, this is the finished product on these Pure Money, aka some will call these the Pure Platinum, I don't know, but I would call these the Pure Money 13 lows. These bad boys came out great, fantastic. If you go back from the beginning of the video till now, you can see a big difference. But if you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Any questions, get at your boy. Peace, stay blessed.